Okay, hello. Goodstone Gamer here and welcome to a game called DOODY on the Commodore Amiga. This is a platform game from 1991. It's a kind of a platformer, a little bit of Mario Bros. Clone style. It's one or two players simultaneously. We're gonna go with one player because it's only me here. So I play as this little figure here. And I jump with the button actually. That is very optimal for my taste. And I'm not liking when I have to push upwards on a stick. So this is nice actually. So there is no in-game music at all here, only sound effects. Very Mario Bros. Oh shit. Oh shit. Very Mario Bros-esque. So let's go up here. What the hell? Was that lethal? I didn't know that. I didn't know that ghost was lethal. Get here. It's a little bit of weird. There you go. With all this distance, it's so much distance, and the sprites is so small. So it's a little tricky. One has to think in different ways. From like original Mario Bros, everything is much bigger and much nearer. So this looks like a kind of a budget game. I mean, the graphics is not over exciting or anything, but graphics is not everything. One has to take into consideration of everything with the gameplay here, and it's alright. It's alright, it seems. So I have to stay away from the ghost again here, but that I can take. So let's keep on taking out turtles here. What is that N? 200 points, okay. Okay, 3 more turtles. Here they come. So it's different from Mario Bros. When I go into the left pipe, they come out in the right. So it's okay, and there are all 3 of them. Let's take them out. Yes. Is it round 3 now? Okay. So I can of course use the POW here, but I usually wait for it until it gets a little bit more critical. But I can try it out when it gets... I need more turtles. Let's see here. Can I have one more turtle? There are more. Okay, let's... Shit, there are many turtles now. Okay. Little bit busy here. Shit. Oh shit, that was close. Yeah, so a little bit of tougher than... Oh shit. Yeah, it's a little bit more busy than Mario Bros on Nintendo and the arcade version. Where should I hide now? Okay, get here. No, yeah. Oh. Okay, get here. There you go, thank you. It's pretty difficult now. Okay, get here. There you go. Oh, there you go. Oj, oj, oj. Okay, get down here. There you go. And you, get here. And the ghost is here and fooling around. Oh. Okay. Let's wait for it. There we go. One of them. Yes. And the last one. Come on, get down here. There you go. Thank you. Oops. It's a cool little game actually. Bonus round. Okay, let's see how this one. Okay, so it's very still Mori Bros-ish. Mori Bros-esque. No, I missed. No, I missed 2 of them. Round 5. Okay, we are doing good here. Oh, now we have some classic crabs here. Purple crabs. Okay. Oh no, I have to jump on the 2 times, of course. So let's stay here. Wait for it. Whee! And you, wait for it. 1, 2. Oj. Ooh, caramba. There you go, thank you. Yes. And stay away from me, you ghost. Get down here. Ooh. Yes. Round 6. Perhaps it will be a little bit mixed bag here with different animals. Just like Mario Bros. Come on. 1, 2. 1. Oh, no, caramba. There you go, yes. Oh. Get over here. Oh shit. It's pretty busy now. There are so much animals going on here. I have to stay away from them. Come on. There is one. Oh! Well, okay, there I am. I didn't know where I was. Okay, get down here. Come on. Oh shit. Oh. Get down. No. Oh shit. Oj. Yes. Come on, get there. Yes. And you get down here, please. There you go. No, oj. It's round 7, okay. So it never ends. I'm on a roll here, so what can I do? Cannot stop right now actually. I have to continue playing. No. Shit. So much going on now. I have to be a little bit focused here. Okay. Get here. Get. There you go. Thank you. No, caramba. This is my last life now. Oh shit, have to stay away. Okay, get here. 1, 2. No, I missed it. I missed him. Okay, waiting for them here. There is one. Thank you. Oops. No, caramba. So this is my last life, I think. Get here. There you go, thank you. And you. Let's wait for him up here, perhaps. There you go. No, I missed him completely. Okay, let's try to... Yes, there you go. Bonus round again here, okay? Oh, no. I missed the star immediately there. Shit, this is tough. Nah, it's very difficult. The bonus round is very difficult. Oh, here we got an ice penguins. Oh no, caramba. Game over. Okay. So there you go. DOODY. It's not a bad game actually. I do prefer, of course, Mario Bros over this one, but it could have been even better with some in-game music, some jolly tune. But it's a cool game actually. I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. It's very addictive, hard to let go when you start, so to say. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.